Alright, so in this video, we have to evaluate this algebraic expression. But in this case, we have been given the values that correspond to each of the variable. We have a to be 4, b to be equal to -3, and of course c in this case is given to be what? 7. So the question is, how do we solve this? The first thing we need to do is to substitute the value of a, b, and c in this particular problem given. So let me scroll up. So wherever we have a, we replace it with what? 4. So a cube here will now be what? 4 raised to power 3, right? Minus b squared, that will be what? -3 squared plus c plus 7 divided by what? A, that is what? 4. Then plus what? AB, that is 4. I put it in bracket. Then b is what? -3. Then plus c, which is what? 7. So this is how we're going to be solving it. So it will require the use of what? BODMAS again. So if we use BODMAS, what does BODMAS say? It says we should consider what we have inside the bracket. So this is where we have brackets. So we have to simplify this first. Then followed by the order. This O represents order. When I say order or exponents, okay, I've explained it in one of the videos, okay. So basically we can actually evaluate what is inside the bracket and order, simultaneously. What is 4 raised to power 3? 4 raised to power 3 is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4. That's 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. So this one can be written as 64 minus -3 square. -3 square is the same thing as -3 multiplied by -3. Minus times minus plus 3 times 3. That is plus 9. So this one will now be what? 9, then plus what? 7 over 4. Then plus, let's do what we have inside bracket. 4 times -3. That is -12. Then plus what? 7. So we have not actually disobeyed the law of the BODMAS rule. So now we have what? 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 here will give us 16. So we have 64 minus what? 16 over 4, right? Plus, now let's open this bracket. Now -12 plus 7 will give us what? Minus what? 5. So 16 divided by 4 now give us 64. We can also say minus 16 divided by 4. That will give us what? -4. Then plus times minus is minus. So that will be minus what? 5. So 64 minus 4 minus 5 will give us what? 55. So the answer to this particular problem is 65. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and if you want to encourage us through donation, please check my bio for the necessary information on how to go about it. See you in the next video. Thank you.